Good afternoon, Cougars. I hope you guys all had a great first week of school. Please rise for the pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Just some more reminders for CU and AP classes. Are you interested in taking a UCCS college course online taught by a UCCS instructor and mentored by a high school teacher? Check out these classes: Computer Science, Game Design, Criminal Justice, or American Government. The course cost is $525 for 3 college credits and 1 high school credit, which is a real deal for college credits. The deadline is September 2nd. Are you interested in taking a UCCS college course online, tuition-free, that's also taught by a UCCS instructor, Laura Austin-Urich? Sign up for interpersonal communication and earn 3 college credits and 1 high school credit. This class begins September 9th. If you took public speaking, you might want to consider taking this course that's open to 10th through 12th graders. Coronado's ever-popular CU Succeed program is 25 years strong. Some of your AP and college-level high school classes offer college credit through UC Denver and UCCS. Check with your teachers to see if your college course can earn you some college credit. Tuition is affordable and credits are transferable to colleges of your choice. Due dates are rolling from September 18th and October 15th. Advanced placement students. Remember to get your join codes from your AP instructors, log in through your College Board account, and join your AP class. This will give you access to your AP classroom resources. Make sure to register for your AP exam by October 2nd. Remember, School District 11 will pay for your AP exams this year. Contact Mrs. Schultzke if you have any questions or are interested. Coronado clubs are gearing up. Clubs may be virtual or in person, however, district guidelines are very specific and must be followed. Once you have a teacher to sponsor your club, they will have the required paperwork and protocol for getting started. Have fun, Cougars, and remember, never be the reason that somebody has a bad day.